Hello everyone, this is a Cajun Prepper, and what we're going to show you today is how to take a motorizer senior can sealer, model number 1502. Very simple to take and do. You just have to get a few parts together and use a little ingenuity. What we did, we took a Dayton 2-speed electric motor, model number 5K423, half horsepower motor, and we made it where it runs off of the 1140 RPMs, because you can take and wire it for 2 different RPMs. This was a used motor. We bought some new bushings for it, mounted it, put a brand new power cord on it, went down to Belts Plus in Lake Charles, Louisiana, and picked up, and you can probably pick these up online just about anywhere, but Belts Plus is good people. It's a model number 160J6BTS. Again, it's a 160J6BTS pulley. It was $19.19 at the time, and it fit the motor perfectly. It's a 5/8 shaft coming out of the motor, and this is a 5/8 shaft pulley. This is the box that it came in, was a 6J160 5/8. We took a seamstress measuring tape and measured around the pulley, large pulley and small pulley, and came up with about a 53-inch belt, if I'm not mistaken. The number on a belt is 530J, and the manufacturer on this Bando, B-A-N-D-O. After we put the pulley, the belt on the pulley, you can take in with your washers down here, and we just mounted it with some carriage bolts, washers, and a nut for adjustment. You can slide it back and forth and take the washers out as needed also. And we put the belt on the pulley, and took the washers, tightened it up until we got a fair amount of, not overly tight, but a fair amount. You don't want to put too much of a strain on it, just tight enough to where it actually operated the machine. I went down to Harbor Freight and picked up a foot switch. Nothing real special about the foot switch. It was about 12 bucks, and I don't have the model number on it, but a Harbor Freight's got them. And you plug that into the wall, then you plug the motor into the foot switch, and voila. As you have your hands full, you can operate it with the foot switch. Not a problem there. Basic operation is the same. If you guys already have one of these, instead of taking and turning the handle, you just press the foot switch, and it runs through the cycle of sealing the can. One of the things I do want to point out, after taking the machine apart and cleaning it, lubing it, I found where these will get loose on you. They'll wear. The pin on the inside will wear. What you need to do is take the pins out, take the wheels out. You can't get them crossed because they're 2 different sizes. Clean everything up really good, and use some AMSOIL Severe Gear 120 weight oil. Get you a needle, and let me get you one right fast. Okay, if I don't stick myself. And you'll notice at the end of the slot right here, there's a place, when you take it out, you'll see there's a slot that goes down into the roller here. You want to make sure that's well lubricated with a real high Severe Gear high compression type oil. A good gear oil will work just fine, or a good synthetic oil. If you can use a lighter weight, make sure you take and lube it several times. Also, you can use this same stuff, put 4 or 5 drops in each one of the little holes here, and that should help keeping it well lubed. A well lubed machine is a happy machine. Anyways, if I can help you out any other way, please send me an email. I'll do my best to respond, and at a timely manner. You, like me, like everybody else, we're all busy, working, making a living, but I'd be glad to give you a hand. If you need any more information, don't hesitate to contact. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next video.